Good day, beautiful people. Today, I quickly want to show you how you can change your Facebook URL from unfriendly and hard to remember URL or social media handle, such as this, okay, to something that is easy to remember and to share with your followers today. Okay. Firstly, to start, if you are not on the page that you need to change the URL, what you need first to do is ensure that after logging to your account, you switch to the page that you want to customize. Okay, once this is done, you then simply click on the drop down arrow where you have your profile, and you come to settings and privacy. You click on settings and privacy, and again you'll be you then see these settings again. Then you click on settings. Once this is done, then you need to come to the left panel menu here, where you scroll down. You look for page setup. Okay, this is going to be done via our page setup. And once you are on the page setup, then you see this name. I've already given a name here, but I want to have a much more friendly URL or handle. Okay, so I need then to click on this. So it takes me to where I have my name, which is the name of the page, and this is the username. You can see that you have not set a username, simply because I haven't set any. So now this is the time for me to set the okay, so what this does is to check the Facebook will first check whether the username is available, and it's not available, and which means it's already been used by another user. So what do? I look for a best way. Okay, if I even had a heart to read, it will still not be, because obviously it will not be available. The @ sign is already appended to the user who created this. So then I think of what else to use. Then I say real SMS or Systema contains invalid character. Okay, what about this? Yeah, it's equally invalid. So what do? I can just say real SMS. Then I get the flag, the response that my username is available. What do? I simply save this. He's requesting for my password to be sure I'm the owner of this account. Okay, let's hope I remember my password, and Facebook is not revealing it. Let's hit on submit. Okay, changes has been saved, and now let me refresh this page. You see, it automatically sent me to real Systema facebook.com/real Systema. So with this, I can easily share this social handle with people. You know, whenever I'm making promotion for the products that is launching. Okay, so this is how you simply and quickly and reliably change your social media handle to a friendly, more easy to remember and customize name such as this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so to our channel, when we bring you tech tips that can help you grow. Yeah, whether it's in tech, is in software development, or cryptocurrency, or some simple technology hack such as the video you just watched. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next one.